Good morning, lovely people. Hope you're all having a good one. So I want to do a quick follow-up my fan that I'm busy with. You can see I finished out drilling the holes. I didn't record it because it's difficult to keep everything straight. And as you can see, if you look very closely, you'll see it goes, the drill bit's going up, and here you can see it's going down. Ever so slightly. Means I didn't keep it straight from side to side. But it's okay because I have extra if you look on my side. So at the end of the day, I'm going to ignore the reference lines I drew on. My entire knife handle is going to be made like this, if you understand. Just a little bit tilt up. Once in, I'm going to reference everything. I have no idea which blade I'm going to use. I have a few laying around, maybe make a new one. It's just quick update on what's happening. Have a good one. Peace be with you all.